It looks really delicious. Oh man, a lot of sugar.
Better than it looks. It tastes better than it looks.
I bet. Nothing like cotton candy on a warm summer day.
That's right. Nothing like Oscar Williams gourmet cotton candy.
That's what's up right there. Wow, really big. Woo.
How you like that?
Hi, this is Adam. This is another Eye on North Carolina vlog. We are here in Raleigh, North Carolina at the first annual 5 Points Food Truck Rodeo, a great, cute neighborhood. I'm here at Oscar Williams Gourmet Cotton Candy, which looks delicious. I'm here with the owner, William. Pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
So what was the inspiration behind starting a cotton candy stand?
My wife and son were doing fundraising. It started going real well. My son suggested, why don't you do more flavors? So her, my son, and my wife picked up on it, and they pulled me in, and I said, hey, let's go.
Nice. Yeah. That's awesome. That's awesome. How did you determine the flavors? Like, I saw the list of flavors. You have so many flavors.
Most of the time when we're out, people ask us, do you have this flavor? Or, since you guys make your own flavor, did you do this? So my wife is always listening to people, so she's like, okay, I heard people ask us today, why don't we try, we started chili pepper. Wow. So she's like, why don't we try this, why don't we do that? So I'm like, okay, whatever she says, we go along with it. So that's what we get most of our flavors. That's
great. I don't think of cotton candy and chili pepper, but that must be popular because people are walking by like, whoa, chili pepper cotton candy.
At first they're kind of skeptical, but sometimes we'll gather them out a sample and they're like, oh, wow, I never would have thought it would taste this good. So have a little bit of the kick, and the sweetness kicks in midway.
That sounds delicious. So what do I have here? Strawberry?
Strawberry soup.
All right, here we go.
Oh my God, yeah.
This hits the spot, especially on a summer day. Really, really good. So how did you get linked up with the 5 Point Food Truck?
Once again, my wife, Tasha, she's always reaching out, always she's the people person of it. Right. We're out doing events, she's out, and most people fall in love with Tasha. So
that's awesome.
She gets to know people, and we get invited back.
That's great. So you started a year ago. What's kind of your future vision for Oscar Williams? Like more rodeos, keep going, fairs?
More of everything. To conquer the cotton candy world.
Is it pretty competitive, the cotton candy world?
No, not really. Not too many people are in it. It's a difficult thing to make, but not too many people are in it. We enjoy doing it. We did come out with a line of floss, so we'll be having our own Oscar Williams floss for those that have machines. But we enjoy it. It's fun.
I could tell you guys really enjoy it.
We get to get out and meet people, and every event is something new, meet people, so we enjoy it.
Definitely. And how long did it take you to learn how to make cotton candy? I have no clue. You're like dipping in. I'm like, how the heck do you do that?
It takes you have to learn the flow of the machine. It takes a while. I've had a lot in my eyes, a lot all over my face, and you learn to get it. You get tired of wearing it. You either catch it or wear it, so I have to catch it. Same here.
Definitely, and I wish you all the luck. And
thank you.
Enjoy the festivities here at the 5 Points Food Truck Rodeo.
We'll try.
All right. We're here at the Humble Pig. I'm here with Ross. It's a pleasure to meet you.
You as well.
So, what inspired you to start the food truck in 2011?
I always wanted to do some sort of food. Hey, how are you today? Decided, hey, let's do restaurants. I love smoking meats. I've been doing it a long time. So I was like, let's do barbecue.
How did you get the name Humble Pig?
Oh, that's a good story. My daughter, Natalie, had just finished reading Charlotte's Web. We were on our way back from, I forget where we were coming from, actually. We were in the car for an extended period of time. And we were going through names, just tossing stuff out, spitballing, and I was like, hey Natalie, what did they write in that final web on Charlotte's Web? And she said, humble. And we were like, oh, Humble Pigs, that's it. So it was actually our daughter that helped us name it. And it's not really it's not trying to say we're humble people, it's more like our attempt at being creative and saying we're really the best barbecue, but we kind of liked it. So
Number 3.
it stuck with us in the car that day, so we just kind of ran with it.
And I'm sure that really sticks with the customers.
Yeah, they seem to recognize the brand. I don't know, I've never done any like case studies. One of the things we really like to push is sourcing as much as we can locally. We use Cheshire Heritage Farms pork when we can. We use Harris Robinette grass-fed beef. We do, we have regular corn-fed brisket too. You just kind of have to. We source all our produce from the Raleigh's Farmers Market or the Durham Farmers Market, which are really vibrant markets. It's great to be in this area.
Thank you so much for taking
You're
the
welcome.
time, and I'm definitely gonna have some food in a little bit, some barbecue, and I'm looking forward to it.
All right, well, thanks for coming out and talking to us.
Definitely.
Yeah.